Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to integrate Google Sheet with the JotForm. This is a very useful setup because when someone fills out your JotForm, their answers can go straight into the Google Sheet. Now that means no more copy pasting and you can keep everything in just one place, and it is very easy to manage. But before we start, don't forget to check the description below this video. I have added the official links, updated information and other useful resources for JotForm and the Google Sheet. So it's always a good idea to look after watching this video. Feature and prices often changes. Alright, now let's get into it. I will walk you step by step through the process so you can follow along on your own screen. So don't worry if this is your first time, it's very simple once you see it in action. So first of all, go to the jotform.com and just make your account if you don't have one. So just simply you can create your account. It will take just 1 or 2 minutes. After that, you will see there is an option for plus button or create button. Just simply click on this and what form you want to create. Let's say I just want to create the form. Simply click on this, and from here if you want then you can start from scratch, but I'm not going to do that. I will create a form by using a template. Let's say I am creating this one and use this template. So this is our form on JotForm and we will integrate this to our Google Sheet. So to do that, just go to the settings here. So go to the setting tab and it will open this left panel, and from there just simply click on this integration. Now click on this integration. Now here you will see some list. Now here what we are going to do, we will connect our Google Sheet, right? So you can just search here or you can just find out. Let's say here it is, Google Sheet. Just simply click on this. Now your JotForm and Google Sheets are going to integrate. So to do that, just we have two options for the action. One is create a spreadsheet. That's mean if someone submit a form on JotForm, then what will be the action created? Like, is it going to create a new spreadsheet on Google Sheet or it is going to add in a existing spreadsheet? So for this tutorial, I'm just selecting this one for new spreadsheet and just simply click on this next. Now we have integrated, but obviously we have authenticate or connect our Google account with the JotForm, right? So to do that, just simply click on this authenticate and it will redirect on the Google login page, and just simply verify this by creating or connecting your account. As we selected, it will create a new spreadsheet, so you just simply write your name of your spreadsheet. So I'm keeping it as it is. Then just you have some option to manage the access or thing, so you can just simply manage this by just check and unchecking, and after that just simply click on this save and your spreadsheet is connected with JotForm. Now if someone submit this form by filling out, and if they just simply click on this submit, it will automatically integrate it and it will automatically add the first name, last name, address and every detail on this spreadsheet. So basically this is how you can easily integrate your Google Sheet with the JotForm. Once you set it up, every new form submission will go directly into your spreadsheet, and you can sort out and you can share them, analyze them, and you can analyze the data however you want. So it saves time and make your workflow much easier. So thanks for watching Easy Access Tech. Don't forget to check the description below this video, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.